In this series, we are discussing the most frequently asked questions we are getting post-pandemic. This is the third video in the series. Please make sure you watch the remaining videos in this series. They should help you to answer some of your questions about diversifying into the precious metals markets. How will worsening relations with other countries affect your precious metals investments? Tariffs, trade restrictions, and other factors could impact the prices of precious metals in the months and years to come. One example is that China is currently producing about 60% of the solar panels that are being sold around the world, which contain a high percentage of silver. Currently, China is supplying a lot of the silver it needs for solar panels, but is also importing silver from Mexico, Canada, and the United States. It is difficult to predict how trends in international trade could affect the value of your precious metal investments. The best course of action when you are ready is to talk to a seasoned advisor, like those at GMRGold. A reputable precious metals firm will offer free, no-obligation consultations. GMRGold often advises clients numerous times before they actually take the plunge. Thank you for watching this video in our series on precious metal FAQs post-pandemic. We hope you found it informative. Please make sure you watch the remaining videos in this series. They should help answer some of your questions about diversifying into precious metals markets. You can always find more information on this topic, as well as other important information on precious metals markets, by visiting our website linked in the description below.